So for today's vlog, we're gonna do a what? What we're gonna do? Oh, wait guys. So guys, we're gonna unbox this goodie. Marriage. So this video we're gonna unbox this Korean movie. So guys, we're gonna so guys, this bill is from Canada. This bill is from Canada, and it's so cute, and I like it. Look at this, guys, and smell it. Let's smell it. Oh, oh my gosh, more. This spray for our clothes and body spray. So let's spray it on it. It smells so good, guys. Oh my god, it smells so candy. The smell is like candy or everything. This cologne is so smelly and so smell. If you put in your clothes, it's so smelly. So let's put it in the box. Okay guys. So bye guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to more videos come.